Okay, so I've never done this before, and I'm going to try and record this video. I came across an article today about, on the Guardian newspaper, I'll attribute it, about private jet services. Hang on a second. Private jet services for canines from Dubai to England. And I got to be honest with you, I got to think a little bit about how completely crazy and insane we have gotten on this planet. This has got to be completely just the craziest thing I have. Sorry about the light. This is my first video, so forgive me. I'll figure it out as we go along. Yeah, just for a second, just think about it. We have a climate crisis, a migrant crisis, food crisis, cost of living crisis, and somebody thought it was a good idea to provide a service for the very rich to fly their canines on a private jet from Dubai to London. I don't know what you guys think about all of this. You got any comments? Post them. I'll come back again another day.